Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you've been great. It's been a while since I made the last recap video talking about the trade sent for VVS. So in this video I'm going to do a recap of some of the last trades I've been sending to the Academy, and let's see how we did. First, I want to start off by giving another congratulations to Blake because he passed another FTMO challenge. He has a collection already. So congratulations, Blake, and he used only the signals that we sent on the VVS group, and he is planning to do the same for the verification phase. So hopefully he will pass it in a few days. So let's talk about the signals we sent on the group. Let's start off with this sell limit on gold. Quickly, you can see here that when Fed Powell talked, we had a massive manipulation on the market, making huge spikes on the upside and on the downside. So after creating this spike on the upside here, you can see slowly price started going higher, getting to these levels, and after hitting getting real close to this top here, we were analyzing the market here for a possible reversal based on this resistance level. And you can see that we applied the Wave Theory, which I like very much because it gives you precise levels to trade with. On the live session, we took this trade, which actually gave 30 RR almost. And for the VVS signals, we sent this trade here. The original entry was 1973, but you can see here that I called an enter manually here because price wasn't about to. I was afraid of not getting the entry here at 1973, which actually missed by 4 pips, but that's okay. Sometimes happens when we try to get the perfect entry. And well, as you can see here, after a few hours, price went to the downside, making approximately 220 pips and 4.5 R risk to wear ratio. This means that risking 1% on your account, you made with this single trade 4.5%. Today we made a lot of other scalps here. We had this beautiful trade here, the test of the last point of supply based on Wyckoff, which gave 10 RR. If you are wondering how do we get these sniper entries, it's not all, of course, only based on Wyckoff. We have other strategies in play here that I teach every day on the live sessions for the VVS members. So let's talk about other trade that I sent last week, which is a Euro USD buy. We have a similar scenario. You can see that we previously had sell side liquidity in the form of equal lows here. Price went through those lows, creating this manipulation and then reversed to the upside. You can see that we had an all high here and price stopped almost exactly at that level, creating now these equal highs. So when we were analyzing the markets on the live session at these levels, we were seeing this last manipulation, this portion, this box here. So when price was hitting this level and prior to Fed Powell talking, we agreed that this would be a very good buy for EURUSD, being the target number 3, 1.19, which is a very psychological level and round number. And of course, we had all highs here with sell buy side liquidity as well. So you can see that after entering the trade at this level, the price shoot up to the sky and made a very good 3.2 RR. A very good fact about this trade is that actually one of the guys in the VVS Academy, the signals, sorry, actually passed FTMO with this trade. Let me show you. You can see that we were all very happy because this happened really fast, the profits. Well, a big congratulations to Nino because he completed the FTMO challenge. If any of you guys feel that you're stuck in your trading career, you have been struggling with studying and you are having a hard time being profitable on this market, let me tell you that it's not your fault. I myself been struggling for a lot of time trying to be profitable until I met the correct people and the correct information. So if you want to do the next steps on your trading career and actually start being profitable, I encourage you to join us in the academy so you don't miss any of these trades and you start analyzing the market with us and you can start being profitable with your own trades. So thank you guys for watching this video. I wish you good luck and good trading.